how we happened, we just kinda did. I was being sarcastic and asked for a kiss. You've been on my mind. You've been on my mind. I don't know what to call us, but you're cool with that. I told you I was nervous, you smiled and laughed. You've been on my mind. You've been on my mind. I won't say goodbye. I won't let you go all alone. Keep me inside.
So this is behind the kick panel on the passenger side of the motorhome, and that's the air intake and the door, and I believe that that's the vacuum advance actuator for the AC versus max position, and that is the air conditioning condenser. I gathered that by the little bit of moisture that's on there still. And then up above it is the heater core, and so the air is pulled in through there, through the air conditioning condenser, up behind that sheet metal section and through the heater core into the blower box, and then to the distribution point here, where there is another vacuum advance that determines if it's going to the dash or to the defrost ports. That blue is a vacuum cable that wires off to that line that goes into the firewall, or the front of the motorhome, and it also goes to that vacuum advance actuator there.
You've been on my mind. I don't know what to call us, but you're cool with that. I told you I was nervous, you smiled and laughed. You've been on my mind.
So there's the actuator for the hot water to go to, and there is where the air conditioning condenser is, and then it flows up to there. That's where the hoses run from the actuator to the heater core, and the heater core is above the air conditioning condenser, which is in there. So I'm thinking that's definitely the problem spot. I just don't know if it's the actuator has gone bad, the valve has gone bad, or it's mis-vacuum hosed somehow. So as I suspected, the vacuum advance valve for the hot water is controlled at the same time as the blender door under the dash, and I don't think that's correct, because what it's doing is it's turning on hot water when it's on regular AC, which isn't right. So we're going to post a entry on some RV site and see what I can get.